Samsung fans, get ready for something big. The latest buzz around the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has tech enthusiasts everywhere talking. From bold design changes to possible camera upgrades, there's a lot to unpack. So stay with us as we break down all the latest leaks and rumors surrounding Samsung's 2025 flagship device. Let's start with the design, which is always a major talking point for Ultra models. If the latest leaks are to be believed, Samsung is stepping away from its iconic sharp, boxy edges and opting for a sleeker, more rounded form. The edges appear flatter than before, giving the phone a modern, refined look that's already gaining attention. This shift is seen as a move toward a more premium, elegant aesthetic, a change that's likely to divide opinions, but it's certainly catching eyes. Recent dummy units have surfaced online showcasing this potential new design. These units are typically produced by third-party manufacturers based on leaked schematics, so while they're not official Samsung models, they're often pretty accurate. Still, it's good to keep in mind that some details, like the camera layout or exact frame shape, could be refined before the final version hits the market. Speaking of cameras, let's get into one of the most anticipated parts of the S25 Ultra, its photography capabilities. Samsung's Ultra models are known for their industry-leading cameras, and it looks like 2025 will be no different. One of the most talked about rumors is the possible introduction of Samsung's ALOP, all lenses on prism system. This cutting-edge tech allows for slimmer phone designs while still delivering top-tier zoom capabilities. However, there's a catch. The ALOP system reportedly maxes out at 3 optical zoom, while the current Ultra models can go up to 10x with their periscope lenses. This has led to speculation about whether Samsung will fully adopt ALOP or stick with the tried-and-true periscope lens. The safest bet. Samsung may use a combination of both to balance performance and design, but until we get an official confirmation, it's all speculation. Moving on to the ultra-wide camera, there's a lot to get excited about here. Reports suggest a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with impressive specs, like a 1/2 52-inch sensor, 0.7 pixel size, and a fast f1.9 aperture. This means sharper, clearer, and more detailed ultra-wide shots, especially in low-light conditions. If you're someone who loves taking landscape photos or big group shots, this upgrade is going to be a game changer. Of course, it's important to remember that leaks like these aren't always 100% accurate. Dummy models are often based on early CAD files or insider info, so there's always a chance for slight changes before launch. Things like the position of the camera lenses, the thickness of the frame, and even the finish of the back panel could be tweaked before the final version hits shelves. When can we expect to see the Galaxy S25 Ultra in action? Well, all signs point to a grand reveal at Samsung's Unpacked event in January 2025. Samsung's Unpacked events have become a global spectacle, and this one will be no different. With January just around the corner, expect to see teasers, trailers, and maybe even early hands-on previews of the S25 Ultra. So what's your take on all of this? Are you excited about the flatter, sleeker design, or is the possibility of a revamped camera system what's catching your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're most looking forward to with the S25 Ultra. Whether you're a design enthusiast, a camera geek, or just a Samsung fan, this device is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of 2025. And if you're as excited as we are, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We'll be covering every leak, every reveal, and every official announcement as they drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.